If you are looking for a fancy dinner idea, then you are in the right place. This recipe is as good as it looks, so stay tuned. We start by peeling and dicing some champignon mushrooms. You can use other varieties if you want, it's up to you. We continue by cleaning and dicing a white onion. If you want the exact amounts, let us know in the comments below. When done, we do the same with the garlic. We add some olive oil in a pan on medium heat and we sear the onions along with the garlic. We want them to be translucent. We then proceed by adding the mushrooms. We season with salt and ground pepper. We want to sear them until they are golden brown. Our mushrooms are done and we proceed by slicing up the chicken breast. We pound it lightly with a meat mallet. We then lay out on a flat surface some cling film and we add a layer of meat on it. We want to overlap the edges to ensure that the meat slices will stick to each other. We help that by pounding it a bit more. We season it with salt, ground pepper, smoked paprika, and some garlic powder. Next, we spread the mushrooms and we can start making the roll. We have a bigger quantity, so we will cut it in half and we will make 2 rolls. The rolls are done and we pack them tight in aluminum foil. We We will cook them at 200 degrees Celsius for roughly 1 hour. The time is up, so we take them out of the oven and we let them rest. When they cooled up enough, we cover them with puff pastry dough. We use egg yolk as glue. We cover the meat with the dough, and now we give it an egg wash, and we score it with a knife. We proceed by baking it at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes until it is shiny and brown. This is a delicious recipe which looks amazing on a dinner table. We recommend to make a sauce along with it. We've made a red wine reduction of the meat juice that we have got after cooking it. The juicy chicken with the mushrooms and the puff pastry are simply amazing together. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you on the next one.